Hi guys, welcome to Top Wisdom. Today we're going to talk about Mathslit measurements. Going to calculate area of square and other. So we're going to use the question paper which is from June 2020, which is common test from KZN. So guys, we're going straight to question 3. Without wasting any time, let me just begin. Question 3. As you can see guys, question 3, Miss Thompson owns a daycare center. Miss Thompson owns a daycare center. She uses bright colored square boxes to decorate the classrooms. Each square box has 6 sides, 5 of which has square openings except to bottom one. The dimensions of the square box are shown below. I'm gonna read this again. Miss Thompson owns a daycare center. She uses bright colored square boxes to decorate the classrooms. Each square box has 6 sides, 5 of which has square openings except the bottom one. The dimensions of the square box are shown below. So, photo of a square box. Guys, you can see the photo of a square box, and let's start with the questions now. 3.1. Calculate the area in centimeters square of the opening in one box. You may use the formula area of a square opening side multiplied by side. So this is how we're going to calculate this. So we have two options to calculate this, but I'm going to use the easiest one, guys. So this is how we start. As it says, we multiply side by side. Going to say 150. 150 multiply by 150. It's 150 multiplied by 150 millimeters, which the final answer is 22,500. The final answer is 22,500. So now we take this 22,500 millimeters, we multiply it by 5. So why do we multiply it by 5? It's because there are 5 squares. As you can count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 squares there at the box, as you guys can see. So we multiply it by 5, which is equals to 112,500. 112,500 millimeters square. So we are not done yet. As the question says, calculate the area in centimeter squares. In centimeter square. That simply means we have to convert. So when we convert, we take this. Let me cancel so that I can have space. We take 112,500. We divide it by 100, which is equals to 1,125 centimeters square. This is the final answer, guys. So now we are going to 3.2. Going to see 3.2 now. In 3.2 it says, the box will be covered on the outside on all 6 sides with the bright colored wallpaper except the openings, no overlapping. Calculate the total surface area to be covered. Let's read it again. The box will be covered on the outside on all 6 sides with the bright colored wallpaper except the openings. No overlapping. Calculate the total surface area to be covered. So guys, this is how we answer 3.2. We're going to say 45 centimeters guys, 45 centimeters multiplied by 45 multiplied by 6, which are the areas that are going to be covered. As the question says, I'm gonna read the question again. The box will be covered on the outside on all 6 sides with the bright colored wallpaper except the openings, which the openings are the ones that we were calculating in 3.1. So we're going to multiply by 6, get the answer, which is 12,150 centimeters, which is 12,150 centimeters. Let me make space, which is equals to 12,150 centimeters, 12,150. So now we minus by 1,200, 1,125. The 1,125 is the answer we got in 3.1. Which are the openings? The openings are not going to be covered. As the question says, except the openings. The openings are not going to be covered, so there's no need for us to include them. We have to minus them because they are not going to be covered. Equals to 11.25 centimeter, which is 11,025 centimeters, which is the final answer. We're going to 3.3 now. So guys, in 3.3, the question says, use the surface area to be covered calculated in 3.2 to calculate the length of the wallpaper if the width is 36.75 centimeters. You may use the following formula: area equals to length multiplied by width. So this is how we do this question. We say 11,025 equals to length multiplied by 36.75. Let me write down, guys, because I don't have space. Multiply by 36.75. So now we're trying to find the length. The only thing we have to do is to exchange things. I'm sure you guys know this by now. I'm going to say length, which is 11,025 divide by 36.75 equals to 300 cm. This is the final answer, guys, of 3.3. This is the final answer. Let me read the question again if you didn't understand. Use the surface area to be covered calculated in 3.2 to calculate the length of the wallpaper if the width is 36.75 centimeters. We are calculating the length if the width is 36.75. You may use the formula. It's given, guys, so we are going to 3.4. 3.4. Miss Thompson will cover 6 boxes with orange wallpaper, 8 boxes with blue wallpaper, 4 boxes with yellow wallpaper. Determine the probability as a decimal, guys, as it says, as a decimal of choosing orange, yellow covered box. So the probability is 10 to 18. You can put that on your calculator, guys, which is equals to 0.555. This is a probability. So I hope you guys know how to calculate the probability. So if you guys have hard time of understanding the probability, this is how we do it. As it says, the question says Miss Thompson will cover 6 boxes with orange wallpaper, 8 boxes with blue wallpaper, 4 boxes with yellow wallpaper. Determine the probability as a decimal of choosing orange and yellow covered box. Orange and yellow covered box. So we take orange is 6 plus yellow wallpaper, which is 4. This is the 10 we got. Then we put all of them combined, which is 6 plus 8 plus 4. All of the papers combined, which is 18. Then we simply press equal on the calculator, then we got our answer as a decimal. 3.5. In 3.5 it says 1 box weighs 50 grams. Convert the weight to ounces, which is OZ, if 1 ounce equals to 28 grams. Round the answer to 1 decimal place. 3.5. 1 box weighs 50 grams. Convert the weight to ounces, which is OZ, if 1 ounce is equals to 28 grams. Round the answer to decimal place. So guys, this is how we do this. Because 1 ounce or ounce is equals to 28 grams, we're going to say this. Going to say 50 grams divided by 28 equals to 1,78257 ounce. 50 grams divided by 28, which divided by 28 is equals to 1,7857 ounce, which is equivalent to, which is equivalent to 1,8 ounce. This is it, guys. I can read the question again. 1 box weighs 50 grams. 1 box weighs 50 grams. Convert the weight to ounces, which is OZ, if 1 ounce is equals to 28 grams. Round the answer to 1 decimal place. So this is it, guys. This is how you do it. This is how you do it, guys. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and share the video so that you can help other learners. Peace.